Put pastry dough in cold water to make this one ingredient snack. In a container of your choice, start by adding some ice cold water. Next, add the pastry dough to the water. Use as much as you like. Let it soak for 15 minutes. After that, remove it and place it on a cutting board. Pat the dough dry and cut it into squares or your preferred shape. Now, let's transfer the pieces to our air fryer. All set. Fry at 180 degrees for about 5-6 minutes or until golden brown. Look how amazing our snacks turn out, folks. Repeat with the remaining dough, transfer to a bowl, and season. I used a bit of salt and paprika here. Mix well and enjoy your delicious snack. Check out how incredible this snack looks, everyone. It's super quick, easy, and tasty. And best of all, it uses just one ingredient. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This was another quick recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Take care, everyone. See you next time. Thanks a lot.